Presenting a pre-owned 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, power steering, stability control, and traction control.